Hello, today we will guide you through how to post journal entry in QuickBooks. In this walkthrough, we'll create a clean, accurate journal entry so you can record adjustments or transfers that don't come from a typical sales or expense form. Journal entries are powerful, so we'll move carefully and keep things clear. First, open QuickBooks in your browser and, once you're in your company file, head to the main workspace. At the top left of the screen, hover your mouse over the Create menu. Depending on your view, it might appear as Create, New, or a plus icon. Hovering reveals a list of transactions you can add. From that menu, click Journal Entry. This opens the journal form, which shows rows for accounts along with columns for debits, credits, and optional fields like description, name, and class. Think of each row as one side of the entry. Debits go on one row, credits on another, and the totals must match. Click into the account field on the first row to choose the account you want to affect. For example, if you're recording an adjustment to an expense or moving an amount between accounts, pick the appropriate account here. Choose carefully. Accurate account selection is the heart of a good journal entry. Next, enter the amount in either the debit or credit column for that row. Only use one column per row, never both. On the next available row, enter the offsetting amount in the opposite column and select the corresponding account. QuickBooks will show the running totals for debits and credits at the bottom. Make sure they are equal before you proceed. The Save button will be disabled if the entry is out of balance. Add a clear description in the description or memo field. A precise note such as why the adjustment is needed or what period it relates to makes future reviews faster and prevents confusion during reconciliations or audits. If the transaction relates to a specific customer, vendor, or employee, click the name field and choose the appropriate contact. This optional tag helps with reporting and tracking. If your company uses class tracking, click the class field to assign the correct class to each line so your financial reports stay organized. If you don't use classes, you can skip this field. When everything looks right and the debits equal the credits, click Save and New. This saves the journal entry and opens a fresh form so you can continue working. If you're done for now, you can instead choose the option that saves and closes the form from the same area. That's it. Your journal entry is posted accurately and ready for reporting.